Hey everyone! Today on the channel I'll show you how to join the 2b2t server in Minecraft. Let's search for 2b2t. Here we need to enter the IP. So here's our IP, we copy it and paste the version here. It's currently running on version 1.21. So we open Minecraft, select version 1.21, or more precisely 1.21. Here it is. Click install. Then we launch it, click on multiplayer, click add server, add our 2b2t, and we're ready to join and play. Yes, here's our queue, and now we wait, that's all. This was Likey. Like and subscribe. Bye, everyone.